Welcome to shelftech channel. Today, we will explore interesting and exciting content together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. First off, shelftech would like to introduce the ultra-luxury yacht Plectrum, featuring a sleek design gliding over the water surface and the peak power of 3 hydro-powered engines, each boasting up to 5,000 horsepower, totaling 15,000 horsepower. Plectrum not only moves, but also flies powerfully and impressively above the water surface. Utilizing dry carbon composite fiber technology, this super lightweight yacht can reach an estimated maximum speed of up to 75 nautical miles per hour. The hydraulic technology is designed with an adjustable beam running up to 20 meters wide, which can be reduced to 15 meters when the yacht is moored or docked in a specific location. The yacht's depth will be 6.5 meters, ensuring stable and safe maneuverability. Explore the breakthrough in motorcycle technology with the only custom electric hubless motorcycle, a marvelous creation combining futuristic design and advanced technology. This motorcycle is not just a means of transportation, but also a symbol of luxury and sophistication. With its unique and modern design, this hubless motorcycle provides a sense of prestige and uniqueness to its owner. Equipped with advanced electric motors, this motorcycle is not only powerful, but also cleaner and quieter than traditional engines. Controlling the motorcycle becomes easier with smart and convenient control systems, providing a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. With the only custom electric hubless motorcycle, riders not only feel the power and convenience, but also experience a unique and exciting riding sensation, awakening the imagination and exploring the boundaries of technology and art in the motorcycle industry. EleMMent is a futuristic mobility concept created through collaboration between Italdesign, Schindler, and Politecnico di Torino, with support from Isarain Technology. It offers a comprehensive approach to transportation, combining both horizontal and vertical movement to create a seamless and flexible transportation system. With EleMMent, you can seamlessly transition between driving on the streets and using elevators to go up or down to underground levels. This not only provides convenience, but also opens up a new perspective on urban space utilization and how we interact with it. EleMMent is more than just a conceptual model. It's a practical solution seamlessly integrated into urban architecture, offering a fresh and convenient approach to city mobility. EleMMent by Marchi Mobile is indeed an icon of modernity and luxury in the world of automobiles. With its groundbreaking exterior design and contemporary amenities, it transcends the concept of mere transportation to become a symbol of refined living. Beyond being a mode of transportation, EleMMent opens up a new world of luxurious travel experiences and maximum convenience. Its lavish exterior is matched by an interior designed with exquisite attention to detail and premium amenities, including state-of-the-art entertainment systems, luxurious bedrooms, elegant bathrooms, and convenient lounge areas. EleMMent is not just a means of transportation, it is a symbol of prosperity and high-class living. The oceanfront villas by Ocean Builders are not just homes. They are symbols of innovation and creativity in the construction industry. Leveraging advanced 3D printing technology and unique design, each sea villa becomes a vibrant work of art amidst the vast ocean. Ocean Builders has demonstrated its capabilities through the construction of the world's first international seastead with the prototype model SLE, and is now pushing further to create even more exquisite and visually stunning living spaces than those on land. With the combination of modern manufacturing equipment and the dedication of its team, Ocean Builders will change the way we perceive life on the sea. Ocean Builders will be able to build better homes on the ocean than on land. Announced on February 2, 2023, the concept model of the Nissan Max-Out EV showcases creativity and the future potential of electric vehicles. The Nissan Max-Out EV concept is an icon of the fusion between beauty and advanced technology, creating a driving experience like no other. With its two-seater design, the Max-Out provides drivers with a sense of comfort and spaciousness while ensuring flexibility and driving performance. Its convertible design helps create an expansive space, fostering a closer connection with the surrounding environment. With a forward-looking vision and commitment to the environment, Nissan promises to deliver an exhilarating and limitless driving experience for drivers. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next videos.